Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Maps and iOS are ready. Open Maps and either begin a route or tap your profile to reveal options. Once done, go into Map Settings, alternatively open the main Settings app and choose Maps. You do this because the voice controls live in Maps preferences, not always inside a route screen. Make sure location permissions are allowed so voice options appear. Now that you're in the right settings area, you're ready to choose navigation voice features and language. Now you'll pick the actual voice and language. Tap navigation voice and scan the list. Voices are grouped by language and dialect. If you see a cloud icon, tap to download. This stores the voice locally for offline use. Choose the voice because different tones and accents can make directions clearer for you. Next, adjust spoken directions volume to loud, normal, or soft so alerts cut through music or remain subtle. Once selected, test it by starting a short route to confirm timing and clarity. Finish by starting navigation and listening for prompts so you verify pronunciation and announcement timing. If the chosen voice doesn't play, go back to Map Settings and check downloads or storage to confirm the voice file completed. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Bluetooth audio aren't redirecting prompts to another device. If problems persist, restart Maps or reboot your iPhone. As a last resort, reset network settings because stalled downloads sometimes block voice files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.